Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 701 through 800.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Word 701.
Let's start learning.
My alarm clock rings at 6 a.m.
Calendar.
I mark the date on my calendar.
Appointment.
I have an appointment this afternoon.
Deadline.
My homework deadline is Friday.
Schedule.
My schedule is very busy today.
Plan.
We have a good plan.
Organize.
Please organize your desk.
Prepare.
I prepare dinner every evening.
Pack.
We pack our bags before the trip.
Unpack.
I unpacked my suitcase.
Borrow.
May I borrow your pen?
Lend.
I can lend you my book.
Share.
We share our lunch.
Offer.
She offered me some tea.
Accept.
I accept your invitation.
Refuse.
He refused the offer politely.
Promise.
I promise to help you.
Trust.
I trust my best friend.
Support.
My family supports me.
Encourage.
Teachers encourage students.
Celebrate.
We celebrate birthdays together.
Congratulate.
I congratulate you on your success.
Thank.
Please thank your parents.
Apologize.
I apologize for being late.
Forgive.
Please forgive my mistake.
Invite.
We invited our neighbors.
Welcome.
Everyone is welcome here.
Introduce.
Let me introduce my friend.
Greet.
We greet each other every morning.
Wave.
She waved goodbye.
Whisper.
Please whisper in the library.
Shout.
Do not shout in class.
Pronounce.
Can you pronounce this word?
Repeat.
Please repeat the sentence.
Memorize.
I memorize 5 new words every day.
Review.
We review yesterday's lesson.
Translate.
Can you translate this sentence?
Explain.
The teacher explained the answer.
Describe.
Please describe your house.
Compare.
Compare the 2 pictures.
Different.
The 2 books are different.
Similar.
Our ideas are similar.
Opposite.
Black is the opposite of white.
Example.
Here is an example.
Meaning.
What is the meaning of this word?
Question mark.
Put a question mark at the end.
Period.
End the sentence with a period.
Comma.
Add a comma here.
Capital letter.
Start with a capital letter.
Lowercase letter.
Write it in lowercase letters.
Keyboard shortcut.
This keyboard shortcut saves time.
File.
Save the file before closing.
Folder.
Put the file in the folder.
Download.
I downloaded the picture.
Upload.
Please upload your homework.
Click.
Click the blue button.
Copy.
Copy the text carefully.
Paste.
Paste the picture here.
Print.
Print this document.
Scan.
I scanned the page.
Battery charger.
My battery charger is on the desk.
Power button.
Press the power button.
Volume.
Turn down the volume.
Headphones.
These headphones sound great.
Webcam.
My webcam is working.
Microphone.
Speak into the microphone.
Online class.
My online class starts at 9.
Video call.
We had a video call yesterday.
Internet connection.
My internet connection is slow.
Password.
Never share your password.
Recycle.
We recycle glass bottles.
Reuse.
Reuse this shopping bag.
Reduce.
We should reduce waste.
Save water.
We should save water every day.
Save energy.
Turn off the lights to save energy.
Plant.
We planted a tree.
Flower garden.
The flower garden is beautiful.
Vegetable garden.
My grandfather has a vegetable garden.
Bird.
A bird is singing.
Butterfly.
The butterfly landed on the flower.
Bee.
A bee is collecting nectar.
Squirrel.
The squirrel climbed the tree.
Rabbit.
The rabbit is eating grass.
Turtle.
The turtle walks slowly.
Frog.
The frog jumped into the pond.
Butterfly wing.
The butterfly wing is colorful.
Nest.
The bird built a nest.
Feather.
I found a white feather.
Shell.
The shell came from the beach.
Rock.
The rock is very heavy.
Sand.
The children played in the sand.
Wave.
The waves are strong today.
Island.
We visited a small island.
Waterfall.
The waterfall is beautiful.
Cave.
The cave is dark inside.
Path.
Follow the forest path.
Bridge.
We crossed the wooden bridge.
Adventure.
Camping is a fun adventure.
Explore.
We love to explore new places.
Discover.
I discovered a new park. Excellent job.
Today you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 9.
Goodbye and happy learning.